No, onye ọbụla. Welcome again, everyone, to my Igbo channel. Okay, in this episode, you're going to be learning the work of na in Igbo sentence. How to use na as a conjunction, as a preposition, as a verbal construction in Igbo sentence. Na have three jobs when it comes to sentence making in Igbo. The first job na is doing is conjunction. Now join two words in a sentence, just like and in Igbo, in English language. So whenever you want to join words in a sentence in Igbo, remember na. Example, mụ na gị ga-aga ahịa. Mụ na gị ga-aga ahịa. Anyị na Obi ga-abịa. O riri ji na agwa. O riri ji na agwa. So now I hope you understand the work of na as and in Igbo sentence. So let's look at the second job na is doing in Igbo sentence, which is preposition, just like in, on, and at, placing something to a location or a time. Let's see some examples. Before we look at the examples, I want to correct this notion. Many people think that na is the only preposition we have in Igbo. No, we have others like inside, besides, like akoko. But any of the preposition, before you place them in a sentence, na must be there before the preposition. So either na is standing as in, on, or at, or is standing beside any other preposition, placing thing or human to a location or time. Okay, let's go over to the examples. Example 1, Emeka bi na Lagos. Emeka bi na Lagos. Oh no, n'ụlọ. As you can see, there's an apostrophe because there is a vowel sound there, so you have to put apostrophe. Oh no, n'ụlọ. And another example we have here, ọ dị n'akụkụ oche. So here you can see besides, and na standing first before akụkụ, which is beside. Ọ dị n'akụkụ oche. Tinye ya n'ime ite. Tinye ya n'ime ite. N'ime is inside. Tinye ya n'ime ite. And the last example, ọ bịara n'abalị. So this is stating a time. Here is not a location but a time. But na is there as in or at, any which one. Ọ bịara n'abalị. Hope you understand how na works in Igbo as preposition. The next one we're going to see is how na is working as verbal construction, just like your English ing, making verb a present continuous. So here, let's look at some of the examples. Before we see the examples, let's see how this verbal construction is made. In English, a verb, the ing comes after the verb. But in Igbo, you add na, dash, then the verb. Let's look at the example. First example, ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ. Ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ. He's reading. Ha na-eri nri. Ha na-eri nri. They are eating. There's a mistake there, not she. Ha na-eri nri, they are eating. Ọ na-esi nri. He or she is cooking. Ọ na-eshi nri. He or she is cooking. That's it for the work of na in Igbo sentence making. So let's take some keynotes. Na never works alone. Na connects two words in Igbo sentence. Na places people or things to a place, location, or time. And na hugs a verb to make a sentence present continuous. Tips: when you see na or you hear na, it either is joining two words as and, or is placing people to a location or time as in, at, or on, or is attached to a verb as ing. I hope now you know how to use your na in Igbo sentence. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and like and share for more video. Please make sure you always come back for more Igbo lessons. Ke mesiano. Bye.